Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we'll be looking at the British pound Japanese yen. I'm starting off on the weekly time frame. Now, as you can see, following the recent breakout to the upside to touch 164, prices retraced and now stabilized. And we already have price making a further move to the upside from the 161.76 area currently showing. So the purpose of today's trading idea will be to take a long trade at the market, and we'll be targeting the 168 area as our profit target. We go to the monthly time frame, you can see why. There's the December 2013 lows. This is the area we're aiming for, and it's a fantastic momentum breakout trade. So without further ado, let's just mark up the trade. So we'll be going in at the market price of 161.76. Check sign will be up here at 168. And we'll be putting our stop underneath the low, which was formed 2 weeks ago and is comfortably underneath this area of support should price turn down and attempt to retest the level. So that is the trading idea for today, the British pound Japanese yen weekly time frame. We're going in at the market at 161.76, targeting the highs at 168 with the stop underneath the most recent swing lows at 157. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on my next live Forex video training update.